Over the last few years, the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service has been working to make the national budget more accessible to all Jamaicans, particularly our youth. Here's what you should know.
A budget, by necessity, involves intergenerational compromise. And that intergenerational compromise has to be fair and equitable. If we tilt it too much in any one direction, it generates inequity in our country. If we take all of the money and we spend it on people who have retired, it means nothing for today or for tomorrow. If we take all of our money and we spend it on things today, we just put it in salaries, which is just for today, then it means we have no investment for the future. And you, students of today, represent our future. As we seek to improve our economy and to grow economic output, the surest way to do that is through investment in human capital development.
To get your copy of the Citizen's Guide to the Budget 2023 to 2024, visit the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service on its website at mof.gov.jm/resources.